Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these French buns. You can also call it golden buns. This is commercial French or golden buns. I have the first video on my channel, so I decided to make a commercial one so that if you prepare it to sell, you will be able to make profit. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Give me some thumbs up. It's very important so that other people will also see this video as well. Let's get started. Ingredients for this yummy golden buns. You'll be using your 125 grams of king's butter. This is half of the king's butter. You can just divide. And you need 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt. I'll be using milk flavor, 2 tablespoons. You can use your condensed milk flavor, 1 tablespoon. Flour, 500 grams of flour. Make sure to sieve your flour. Egg, just 1. You need only 1. Baking powder, you half tablespoon of baking powder. Vanilla flavor, you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 7 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 cup of normal water. Add in your king's margarine and you cream a little and you add in your sugar. Take your time and sieve all your dry ingredients. Add in your 2 tablespoons of milk flavor. Sieve it in. Add in your nutmeg and salt. You mix together. Add in your baking powder, half tablespoon. Sieve in, stir and set aside. You can see the egg was bad, so be careful. I have to remove that one. Be careful if you're breaking egg, break it in a separate bowl, not inside your mixture, so that it will not mix up everything. So I have to change the egg, and this is a new one I opened. This one was okay. Take your time and you whisk it till it's looking foamy. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the egg, whisk and you set aside. You can see our butter and sugar, that's margarine and sugar, looking so fluffy and lovely. These golden buns, I call it cake buns. It tastes like cake. It's so amazing. You need to try this recipe out. It's so yummy. Seriously, the taste is as if you're eating cake. So lovely. I just added my egg mixture and the flour a little at a time to incorporate together, taking my time to mix it in. I'll be using 1.5 cup of water. So I'll be adding it little at a time till I add everything right inside. At this junction, you can notice my batter is so thick. Some people use hand mixer, but right now I have to wash my hands and use my hand to beat the batter so that to incorporate more air through it and also to make it light and soft before I start frying. If you have not liked my video, give me some thumbs up, like my video, comment, feel free to share to your friends, and feel free to invite a friend to this channel. If you have not subscribed, this is your first time of watching my video, you still have a great opportunity to join this lovely family. You can click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alert of my new video. Click on all notifications so that if I drop a new video, you will get an alert. Like I said before, subscription is indeed free of charge, just for you to be getting alert of my newest video. As you can see, you use your hand to mold your golden buns as if you're molding your puff. So just take your time and you fry to golden brown and you remove. Beautiful. I'll keep repeating the method till I exhaust all my batter. Beautiful. Remove the buns is ready. You can see our buns is ready. Beautiful. So neat, so smooth and soft inside. So soft inside. You can see, wow, this is lovely. The text is so amazing. As I said, it tastes like cake. Thanks a million for watching. Bye bye.